kadalasan nagkita tayo sa ball. Doon mo kinento sa akin na natuloy na yung look test, yung pitching, and they said yes na. And now it's happening. How was the journey, Direk Dan, doing Almost Us?
Sobrang akong happy kasi nag-start. First time ko na-encounter si JM, napanood ko yung pelikula niya sa Himalaya.
Oo nga eh.
Tapos I was impressed talaga. As in, sabi gusto ko ma-work tong actor na to. So, nung time na yon, nag-research ako, tapos nakita ko nga yung love team
Na meron palang JM Fiang.
JM Fiang. Tapos, nanonood ako ng clips nila. Kinikilig ako eh. Tapos, a few days later, minessage ko na si Keith. Sabi ko,
Kabilis!
Keith bro, baka na yung pelikula. So,
Wow.
ayun. Tapos, at luckily, nasa kanila yung
contract. Yung contract ng dalawa.
So, ayun.
Ang
Everything fell into
bilis.
place. So, thank you sa generosity ni Keith and Ma'am Rosel na natuloy yung pelikula. Ito na siya, yung show yun sa Basics.
Sir Keith, grabe naman talaga ang good words mo sa kanila when we did Shake, Rattle, and Roll. So when Direk Dan said na gawa tayong pelikula ng JM Fiang, what was in your mind? Right away, agad ba? Sabi mo, yes, let's do it.
Yeah, medyo agad na. Kasi I had the experience of working with Jane Fiang sa Shake. And so kahit nasa rushes pa kami sa Shake, they were so good. So my mom and I were thinking about, ano kaya po yung next project namin with JM Fiang? So good timing, tumawag si Direk Dan. Actually, Facebook Messenger yata niya ako tinawag. Sabi niya, how's JM Fiang? Gusto niya mag-pitch for concept for them. So we said yes right away.
Wow.
Yeah, it was good timing.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Keith. Direk Dan, susulitin ko na to ha. Kasi ang dami mo namang offers for a rom-com. Why a JM Fiang for a comeback?
Ay, love ako sa dalawa.
Oh.
Hindi talaga, as in, tapos yun nga, na-impress talaga ako dun sa Cinemalaya. Tapos from there, yung deep dive talaga ako. Alam mo yung one of those nights na nagsimula ka lang sa isang video, tapos maya-maya 4 a.m. na pala, tapos over JM Fiang yung pinapanood ko. Tapos, ayun, sabi ko, I really want to work with these two.
Derek, anong nauna? The JM Fiang or the material?
Nauna yung JM Fiang, tapos kasama ko yung associate producer, si Angel. Tapos nag-iisip kami ng concept. Kasi Angel ay isang Gen Z. So parang uso sa mga Gen Z yung A or alternate universe. So from there, batuhan kami ng ideas for a film. Tapos yun na, nabuhay na yung story about this girl na obsessed sa isang idol na may best friend na pine for.
Pero kasi ikaw master director ka when it comes to rom-com, kaya sabi ko, ang swerte ng dalawa na for launch movie nila, Dan Villegas ang titira. I mean, sorry pero I'm just the proudest na ikaw yung gumagawa ng pelikula nila, Direk Dan.
Salamat po. Pero swerte kami lahat na maayos yung cast. Super solid ka work.
So when Sir Keith, sinabi niya sa akin, EJ, I've never seen a script as beautiful as this one. Remember, one morning, you called me up, kinukwento mo sa akin, EJ, ang ganda-ganda ng script pa lang yon. So Sir Keith, when you learned about the story na present ni Direk Dan and his teammates, what was the reaction right away? Gusto mo na?
Yes. Kasi when I read the script, usually like when I read scripts, merong edits pa. Pero the whole time I was reading the script, all I can think of was JM Fiang. Kasi sobrang bagay yung scripts kanila. So I was just laughing the entire time I was reading.
Just at 9 in the morning, you were raving about it, Sir Keith. I remember that, di ba? Sabi mo, gawin na natin tayo. Ganun yung energy ni Sir Keith in doing, at the time, ipapantitle, until finally, nag-decide ang team na we're doing Almost Us. Okay. At this point, we'd like to hear from the members of the cast, starting off with Sam. Please, your role! Greet everyone muna, Sam.
Hello everyone!
Ang ganda niya, no?
Thank you po.
You are portraying what, the role?
I'm portraying Jess as one of the close friends of Fiang in the movie. So, yeah.
Sobrang layo. Ano ba yun?
Sobrang layo. So she's a little Tonyo. She's not far from
I
Sam
love that
actually.
binyahan. Tumatatak sa akin ni Sobra.
Sobrang layo. Yes.
Make us kwento about how you started, how did you get the part? Kasi alam ko, talagang pinili ito eh. May mga audition pa. Pero ikaw, right away, narinig ko agad yung pangalan mo. Ah, okay. So how did you get the part?
I actually heard from it from one of the associate producers, si Angel po, Ate Angel. And they actually told me that, when they were thinking of somebody who could portray the role, they thought of me daw. And I thought that, syempre po kinilig ako doon. Pero hindi pa po kasi
Naniwala ka agad na ikaw naman talaga yun.
Yun
Of
lang po.
course, oo.
Pero they didn't really tell me what kind of role it was yet. Up until I got the script and I got the character description po. Tapos sabi nila na, konyo pala. So sabi ko, kaya.
Achieve!
Achieve, that's right.
Iba rin naman mag-isip.
Parang tabunan mo ako eh.
Matatalino yung mga
Yes po, sobra po. Magagaling po sila.
Sobra.
Yes.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you po.
You know what, yung story ko, sino ba ba yung ibang cast? Tapos nung nag-script reading na, the moment he opens his mouth, oh my goodness, it's so good! Another J! Wow, wala na, JM. JM!
Hello po, JM Salvado.
Correct.
Papakilala sa atin lahat. Magandang hapon. Okay.
Audio pa lang, di ba? Linaw!
Ayan.
Nag-audition ka ba dito, JM?
Yes po, nag-audition po ako dito. Kinontak po ako, tinanong ako, kaya mo ba yung role? Bibigyan namin sa iyo role, natin audition ka. Pagdating ko dito,
Baka may catch.
iba-iba pala. Iba-iba yung dating, ako po si Otep. James Salvado playing the role of Otep, best friend ni ERR. Siyempre, di ba? Hindi naman po kami nagkakalayo ng itsura. Baka po magkalaglag kayo eh. Di ba? Ganun po talaga. So, ayun lang naman po. Okay naman, okay na. Yeah!
Ang galing niya. Alam mo, script, table move pa lang. Talagang tawag ng tao si JM Sipiang sa kanya. Kahit kami sa production, sobrang nakakaalim. Binukan niya yung script table meet namin. Congratulations, we're so excited na mapanood ka na.
Yes!
Okay, po sila. And of course, the very promising talented Yuki Takahashi. Yuki!
Yes. Hello po, I'm Yuki Takahashi. Hello po.
Your role and how did you get the part? Alam ko, in a way may alam ako pero
Yeah.
sige, may kaskwento.
So I am Sue. Older ako kay Fiang and kay RR. Well, yung role ko dito, I am a very confident woman. And sobrang self-assured ko with myself and everything. And
Ganda niya, no?
somehow, medyo pinagsasalosan ni Fiang. Yeah.
Hanggang doon lang muna.
Hanggang doon lang. Yes.
Pero hindi ka kaiinisan ng mga JM lang dito. They'll find out.
I guess panoorin niyo na lang po. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yung sa akin po, nalaman ko na I'm part of it. Actually, it's a funny story.
How funny. Wow, nagising ka.
Sobrang funny.
Patag na.
No, kasi hindi ko po kasi alam if scam siya or not. So, nung minessage po ako through Viber, I wasn't sure if it was real and everything. And then when I found out, it's direct dad. Doon na ako naniwala. Totoo ka na.
Day one pa lang
Yes.
talaga nag-agree na yung buong production.
Thank you po.
Mukhang perfect ang pagkaka-directan, no? Perfect mukhang did you deliver naman?
Yeah.
Siyempre, yes, oh. Thank you, Yuki.
Thank you.
Wala na, napaka-special ng role niya. So, hindi ko alam kung nahirapan ng production, pero ako when I first heard of his name, portraying Kenzo, sabi ko, oh my God, the perfect Kenzo. Dustin Yu.
Hi, sir.
Hello!
Hello po sa lahat na pumunta ngayon. Ako nga po pala si Dustin Yu. At ayun, maraming salamat kasi sobrang swerte ko na naging parte ako ng launching movie ng JM Fiang. Ang character ko po dito ako si Kenzo. Isa po akong artist. Isa po akong singer. Hindi naman po malayo sa totoong buhay.
Why not?
So, yeah, ayun, ako po yung parang sinulatan ng AU fiction with Fiang. And ano po ang masasabi ko sa character ko? Siguro, hindi siya malayo sa totoong artista. Kasi sa isang artista, may mga struggles din na experience. So, dito makikita natin kung saan si Kenzo ay totoong tao rin pala.
Tapos mamaya maririnig pa natin direct ka Jack Sir Kid kung paano ka-special yung world na yan ng AU.
Susugat na ba ako? Bahala na, bahala na.
Ano yun?
Nanay ba talaga?